Hello everyone, greetings from Eyespecs.com.
We'll be taking a look at this Balenciaga model, BB0086S, in color code 001. It's a black color frame. On the temple here, we have a black color temple, and at the temple tip, we have a Balenciaga emblem in white. This is the inside of the frame. This frame is made in Italy. This is the other side of the temple. It has a Balenciaga emblem in white at the end of the temple. The color of the lenses is a gray color. And it has a Balenciaga writing engraved in the top right lens. Up here we have a Balenciaga case to put your glasses in, a microfiber cleaning cloth, and the authenticity card and the manufacturer booklet.
Thank you for watching. If you want to check out these frames, make sure to check out Eyespecs.com and have a joyful day.